Alright guys, it's Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com doing box number 1 of 2011 Chrome Football. Let me go ahead and just remove that little thing right there. There we go. Be sure to check out BillsBoxBreaks.com. Got a lot of breaks up there. Check out my eBay breaks. I got an auction just about every night. Tomorrow night I got limited going on, so I'll do about one box a night via auction, and then a bunch of fixed listings and stuff on Box Breaks. So check it out. Good luck, everyone. Had a killer box of momentum earlier. 8 out of 10 packs had autos, 2 relics. Nice box. Alright, good luck everyone. Here we go. First card is Marshawn Lynch. And let's go ahead and turn this on and see if it helps at all. Yeah, it's a little bit better. There we go, Marshawn Lynch. And let's put that there. We'll do that one last. Got a Justin Blackmon out of 199. Matt McClowan. Russell Wilson. There's a Lynch. And then our first hit is going to be nice for the Vikings. Heirs to the Throne, Cordell Patterson relic. And that is out of 299. Good looking card. Pack number 2, we got Alex Smith. And then let's put this over here. Put that over there. Go for the rest of the base. We got Andre Johnson, Butler, and Chris Johnson. And then our hit is going to be for the Raiders, Sid Moore, out of 49. Nice low number hit. Pack 3. We got Reggie Wayne. I'll put this here and move Mr. Wayne over. And we got a Andre Johnson, little die cut there. Not numbered. It's hard to read it. Test time. Insert. And then we got Superior and Vernon Davis. And then our next hit is going to be Jumbo Jers of Stephen Taylor. Down to $2.99 for the Cardinals. Fourth and final pack. We have Carson Palmer. And then we have, go ahead and move this here. Move that right there. Out of 99, Darius Slay. And then we got King and Frank Gore. And then our hit is going to be Matt Barkley. Nice. Well, it's got a little chunk out of it there. I'll send it to you. It's out of 25 too. That's nice. That is a shame. So I'll send this to you. Whoever had the Eagles, I recommend sending it to Panini, and providing a link to this video to show them how it came straight out of the box and had that out of it. That is a shame. On card. That's out of 25. It's 19 out of 25. That is a darn shame they did that to this card. I can't think that's by design. No, it looks like it got... It's like a pack stamp almost. I'll go ahead and set an empty box with you too, so you can use the UPC code. That's rubbish. Nothing's happened, but yeah, such a nice card. Oh, makes me hungry. All right, that's a nice box. That was a nice box besides the defect, but maybe they'll fix the card and give you something special, so you never know what you'll get out of them. They're a good company, they'll hook you up. All right, guys, thanks for joining. We'll see you later.